Meaning of face pack.
Face pack.
Face pack.
Face pack.
Face pack. A face pack is a product used in skincare routines, often in the form of a cream, gel, or sheet mask, that is applied to the face and left on for a period of time before being washed off. The result of using a face pack can vary depending on the ingredients, but generally it aims to improve the appearance and health of the skin. This can include deep cleansing, hydrating, reducing inflammation, and promoting a more youthful, radiant complexion. Some face packs may also target specific concerns such as acne, wrinkles, or dark spots.